Are you ready?
Keep this between ourselves. I've just upgraded to a club room here at the Village Hotel Dudley. Now, I must say, this is the first time I ever stayed in a Village Hotel, and I am super impressed because I'm actually here for a cultural, emotionally inclusive fashion show, and we've got a club room. Look at this. Got a nice sink area. We do have shavers. I do love the little sense of humour on this as well. We have e-spa products. I'm not joking, this is like literally like a budget hotel, and we've got e-spa products. We've got our sink area, we've got the bog. Now, I was hoping for a bath, but we got a shower instead, but it's fine, it will make do. But look at the shower head. Look at that shower head, it's just unbelievable. I've never seen a shower head like that before. And then again, e-spa products. Normally you get these in like 5-star hotels, but this is like a budget Premier Inn hotel, this Village Hotel I'm staying at, guys. And we even got Temple Spa in good condition, everyday hair conditioner too. One thing I am noticing as well, but we'll probably be hiding somewhere, is we haven't got a hairdryer, but maybe it might be in one of these drawers. Ah, found a hairdryer. Needed that because I need that in the morning. Got some drawers here, look at this bed, guys. Oh my gosh, this bed looks amazing. Now we do have an edition of the Village News, which tells everything about your stay and all that. So we got like free Wi-Fi, breakfast news. Obviously, in a club room we get Village Health and Wellness Club access, premium coffee, free parking, early check-in, late out. Loads more extras. Obviously you'll see some of the extras in a couple of minutes. We've also got the swimming pool times there as well, so obviously you can swim up till 10 o'clock tonight, which is quite good. And also it tells you what's on during the stay as well. So obviously if you sign up to Village Rewards, you get £5% off every spend. Obviously got the timings for the meals, for food and all that, which is fantastic. We've got the Starbucks downstairs in the lobby as well. This is a good idea as well. If you want to freshen up, you just pop this on your door, and you just tick which ones you want outside by 11 p.m. Now this is the good stuff. We've got some tea, coffee. We even got this posh Law coffee machine as well. Wake up and smell the coffee. Now I have actually upgraded this for my boyfriend, and I think he's going to be very surprised at what we've got. We got some sweets as well. We've got some Village People sweets, some jelly babies in here, which will be useful. We got a free water bottle as well, H2O. I like that actually. That'll be useful for tomorrow actually, because tomorrow's going to get really, really hot. We also got this little pamphlet, Welcome to the Club. So it tells you everything about what we get included as well. We got a little lovely welcome message as well, because obviously I'm doing a show, and obviously they know I'm doing a show. They just say good luck in your show, which is fantastic. Now, this is the little sense of humour I was telling you about as well. So we've got, hey you ruined my number. And even on the keys, I got the key, I got the secret. And have a nice day as well. And all the keys are biodegradable as well. And that is the bed again. And that is a view that we got. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the hotel room tour of the Village Hotel here in Dudley. Right, we made it. After a God knows how long travel day, we've made it. It's time for the bed test. Oh, it's a bit hard, but it's nice. I'm going to get the air conditioning on and breathe because my partner's coming in about 20 minutes. So best get everything ready for it as a surprise, because this is his little surprise. So I'll see you all later. Thanks for watching.